It's December 24 and we still have one more box. Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday and I wish you Merry Christmas everybody. Now stay with me for the last box of my Adventkalendar. It says here, be jolly by golly, it's Christmas. Here you go. Let's open it up. Oh, what's here? I'm quite excited and this is the last box, guys, so let's see what we are going to get today. Maybe something special. There's bubble wrap in here. I could see that. Woo! And oh, they wanted to protect it, so maybe something that might get broken. And I think it's a pallet, guys. What's this? It feels so good. Look at that. Here you go. How do you say that? Is it Ciate, London? I need to open it. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. There you go. Don't break it, Josie. Ooh, pretty. The packaging looks so pretty, guys. Okay, something fell out, but it's nice. And we've got some nice nude palettes. Oh, with a mirror in here. Pretty. Merry Christmas.